Hi, I had sent this URL because I manage insights.blackcoffer.com. It is my customer success story website. So I searched for I have placed several some of my past projects where I have done recommendation. I have implemented recommendation engines, AI based recommendation engines, especially for B2C companies, B2C platforms. Basically, the link I sent to give you uh, an overview of my past projects on recommendation systems, user personalizations, user persona, and artificial intelligence. I'll quickly walk through a couple of these. For example, this project I did for recommendations for Canada immigrations. So a lot of people, especially Canada has a special program to invite people from across the globe to migrate there, and so this is where basically I built a recommendation for students, for working professionals, IT professionals, businessmen. If you are a businessman, then basically this platform will recommend you what are the ways you can basically immigrate to Canada. If you're IT professional, then what are the ways to immigrate to Canada? This is same as like one user versus another user. One user will get different recommendations, and the other user will get different recommendations. Similarly, in this project, I have developed and recommendation engines for hospitality company. I'm sure you must know about Airbnb. So I made a data warehouse as well as recommendation engines for Airbnb. Then this I made for recommending post and article. Suppose if you go to a website and you have your own browsing history, then I have different browsing history. So this platform, so the solution that I made, you will get a different recommendation for the articles, and I'll get different recommendations because my persona is different and your persona is different. So I'm IT professional, I'm developer, so I'll get developer related articles recommendation from the system, and you are a businessman, so you will get business related articles. Similarly, this I made for entertainment industry. Suppose you are using an application and I'm using same application. So my music taste is different and your music taste is different. So when you search, you will get different recommendations for the music. I'll get different recommendations for the music. This is like price recommendations. So in hospitality industry, there is a huge competitions for pricings. So what prices should be given for what user? So it's another recommendations. Each of these has a URL. You can basically go through it and you can see what I have done, how I have done, who was the client. Um this was the entertainment firm globally. What was the project? What solution I gave? Deliverables, and here are the platform I used, technology I used, and these are the project snapshots. This is the reason I sent you this URL, so that you can basically browse through my past work in the recommendation engines. Let me know if you have any questions. I can jump on a call and help you to understand. Thank you.